Have you ever measured something in your daily life? Imagine you're buying a table for your room, and you grab this tape measure, check the space, and say, yes, that fits. And that is measurement. But why do you trust that number? Now, imagine you're building an engine for an airplane. Does the part fit? In this world, just measuring isn't enough. You need to verify how reliable that measurement is. And that is metrology. Hello everyone, I'm River, application engineer at Shining 3D. Welcome to our very first episode of Metrology TechTalk. Today, let's answer the big question: what is metrology? And what actually qualifies a 3D scanner as metrology grade? A lot of people use these two words in this field, but what's the difference? Measurement is the act. You take a tool and you get a number. Metrology is the science of measurement. It's asking, how much can I trust this result? Is this result accurate? Can I get the same result tomorrow? Will someone get the same result with a different tool? A lot of 3D scanners in the market today claims to be metrology grade or have metrology grade accuracy. But is it just an accuracy number like 5 or 10 microns on a datasheet? Nope. Metrology grade isn't just a marketing buzzword or a single number. It requires a strict and traceable verification process to international systems and certifies status tested and defined by rigorous international standards like ISO 10360 or VDI VDE 2634. These standards define how accuracy should be tested, under what conditions, with what certified reference artifacts, and how the final results are evaluated. So, metrology grade is proven performance with repeatable accuracy and metrological traceability. When we say our handheld series scanners have an accuracy up to 0.02 millimeters, or our high precision models up to 5 microns accuracy, these are not just random numbers. Each value comes from a systematic calibration process in our ISO 17025 accredited accuracy lab, following strict international standards. We use reference artifacts like ball bars certified by national measurement labs. These artifacts create the traceability chain that connects our measurement equipment to recognized national and international benchmarks. This is what allows engineers to rely on the data, not just to scan, but reliable enough to inspect and validate for quality control, and then make decisions. So the next question is, where do we actually need metrology-grade 3D scanning? Follow Shining 3D Metrology on LinkedIn and get the answer in our next episode of Metrology TechTalk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.